Hello everyone, welcome to the video, and hopefully this video is useful for your projects and whatever you may be doing. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like, and comment, and have a great day, and God bless you all. Bye. Today we're going to learn how to do word count for your Google Docs. In order to get word count, you need to click on Tools, then scroll all the way down to Word Count. It has everything there, and then hit Display Word Count while typing, and then you hit OK. And it's at the very bottom left corner. Thank you for watching and have a great day.